Hello? Base department? It's for Ace, of course. Hello and welcome back to another DX Geats review. Today we're taking a look at the Spider Phone. So, getting into the review for the Spider Phone. There's not a ton to go over here. This button makes noises. This button is exclusively to move this piece for when you slap it on the Desire driver, which they never even did in the show, so... Otherwise, it's nice. Stickers are solid. This is both molded and painted. You can see the screw holes, which is very funny, because if you look at the one in the show, they literally just put a sticker over this. Anyway, this is your on and off switch. See the little slot? There's no on and off switch on this, and it really needed one. This will not shut up if you get it going. So, let's do just that. It is much quieter than the Desire driver. I have some legal thing about cell phone toys not being able to deafen children, but... And it's already started. Shut up, Ace. And it just loops win, fail, win, fail. However, you can, of course... Yeah. This is the trigger, and you might notice that it gets much louder in spider mode, which, I mean, it's still a cell phone toy, guys. You could have... whatever. Personally, I think this should be what triggers it, but... whatever. Spider mode. A nice touch is that when this is facing this direction, it kind of just looks like cameras. I mean, it's a little deep set in there, but works for the phone motif. Anyway, now you actually get some different sounds. Man, that's loud. Taking a picture, fair enough. Yeah. So, not a lot. And of course, here's footage of it being used on the Desire driver. And as for a quick size comparison, I mean, it's a little thick and a little short compared to the phone that I'm currently recording this on, but this, even in my massive, meaty man hands, is like a normal-sized cell phone, which is good. So to wrap this review up, the Spider phone is fine. The 40% off I got it for on BBTS, and it was pretty much the price it should have been in the first place. Doesn't really do a lot. It's a nice little prop with some sounds from the show if you want it. It's not special, but it's a nice little thing if you can get it on sale. And that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to let me know what you think down in the comments below. Subscribe and hit the bell to be alerted for future reviews. Come chill in the Discord. Follow me on Twitter, if that's even still around. And consider supporting me on Patreon so I can keep bringing you videos like this. And, as always, until next time, happy building.